At Ideal Electrical, we know the job the way you know the job. That's why we created the ultimate troubleshooting solution, the Ideal SureTrace Circuit Tracer. Designed to find everything, find every mistake, every problem, faster than ever before. The SureTrace Circuit Tracer not only traces circuits with unmatched accuracy through walls and flooring, but it makes troubleshooting simple and fast. A dead short tripping a breaker? Find it without opening every device and fixture and taking out every wire. A splice error tripping breakers? Find it without sending 2 electricians on a wild goose chase. Find a breaker to isolate, de-energize, and lock out the circuit quickly and safely. From residential to commercial to industrial projects, the Ideal SureTrace Circuit Tracer ensures you can find everything. Designed to be your best friend on the job, saving you time and money so you can move on to the next project and focus on the work that powers our world. So find what you're looking for. Find everything. No one supports, understands, and equips the electrician quite like Ideal. In every product we make and in everything we do, we are the electrician's champion.
Welcome to a quick introduction of the Southwire 41150S AC/DC voltage tester, part of Southwire's broad line of tools and equipment. The 41150S provides a quick way to check live voltage on household branch circuits. Simply connect the test leads to the circuit being tested. LEDs will glow to indicate the AC or DC voltage level from 6 to 240 volts. The 41150S requires no battery and operation is fully automatic. This device has been UL listed for use in applications up to Cat 2 300 volt. For more information on the complete line of Southwire tools and testers, visit our website at southwiretools.com. Southwire Tools, built for durability, built for reliability, built for work.
At Ideal, we know the job the way you know the job. And when it comes to Datacom, we know you don't have time to second guess a connection or redo the work. You need absolute accuracy every time. So we developed a system that delivers just that. Introducing the Ideal feed-through modular plugs and FT45 crimping tool. Engineered to work together perfectly, the connectors are designed to smoothly guide and seat each individual conductor into place, so you can verify the order of the wires prior to crimping the connector. The FT45 crimping tool completes the termination process, providing the simplest, most effortless way to cut and crimp each connector. You get a flush cut every time. It's absolute accuracy down to the end face of the connector. No leftover wires, no scabs, no issues down the road. And that's what confidence looks like. Confidence you don't get from a standard connector. Absolute accuracy means no wasted parts, no wasted time, no second guessing. Because when you're connecting our world, you need tools you can rely on. You need absolute accuracy. We've got you covered. The Ideal feed-through modular connector and FT45 crimping tool, only from Ideal.